Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite apps, one of the most useful apps you can have on your store. It is Ad Tracking Info. Okay, this app is designed to increase your trust, improve your cash flow, and reduce customer complaints, and also reduce the likelihood of PayPal putting rolling reserves, holds, and even shutting your account down altogether so you can't use PayPal on your business. Okay, so this app is extremely valuable and I want to share it with you today. I recommend every one of you that watch this video add this to your store. Take it from me, I have had nearly $40,000 held by PayPal. Now I've heard of people who have had way more than that held, but that is my experience. I have had nearly $40,000 held, frozen in PayPal. It sucks, okay? Since I have added this app to my store, I have not had an issue with PayPal. There's a good chance when you're starting out, PayPal might put a little hold just to make sure that you're doing the right thing, you're fulfilling your orders. But moving forward, you don't want to keep having those issues with PayPal, okay? I really recommend adding this to your store. It's going to increase your trust with PayPal. It's going to help improve your cash flow. So basically what this app does is when somebody comes to your store and they buy via PayPal, there's going to be a tracking number created. And what this app does is this app will actually take that tracking number and automatically upload it into PayPal's order information, okay, into that customer's buyer information. Now, that is a must. When somebody's purchasing on PayPal, PayPal wants to see there's a tracking number if you're an e-commerce business associated with their order, okay? And if you don't do that manually, then PayPal in their eyes aren't going to think you're doing the right thing, okay? So you want to be adding the tracking information to the customer's order on PayPal, and this app does it automatically, okay? So we've got it up here, it's adtrackinginfo.com. It's not on the App Store, you're gonna have to Google it. And what this does, we'll just have a look at it now. So the features is it's a likelihood, not a guarantee, but it's going to lower the rolling reserve if there is one. There's more seller protection. There's funds are released in days, not weeks, increasing your cash flow. Cash flow is king. Okay, it's helping with that. Less chargebacks, disputes, and refunds as well. Okay, setting it up is extremely easy. 3 simple steps. All you have to do is set it up. Super simple. You'll set it up in a few seconds. Automatic notification. So every time you update an order or market is fulfilled, your store will notify this app instantly, even if you don't do it manually, but use an auto fulfill app to such as Mass Fulfill, Oberlo, Shopify, Custom Cat, Printful, Teespring. Even if you mass fulfill orders, that tracking number, all of those tracking numbers will be instantly updated in PayPal via this app. Okay, and then it takes 24 hours for that information to get passed, but it's all done automatically, okay, completely hands off. Now, you can test it for free. All shops receive 50 free credits every month, so there's no reason you should not add this. Everybody that is watching this video, after you've subscribed and liked this video, go add this app to your store. Seriously, like I said, I've had way too much money held by PayPal. I don't ever wish that on somebody. I don't wish that on you, okay? So I'm doing this video to help you avoid that pitfall that I fell into, that lots of people fall into, okay? So guys, pay as you go as well. So one thing we'll cover quickly is the pricing. So it's very simple. For each order that you send through, each time you send a tracking number through, it costs 0.131 cents, okay? It's nothing. Really, in the grand scheme of things, it's nothing. Even at scale, it is nothing. It is going to keep your business alive because you're going to reduce the likelihood of rolling reserves, holds, and shutdowns by PayPal, okay? It is nothing. It's 0.131 cents. There's no monthly or hidden fees. It's just that's it, that one-off fee per transaction. You get 50 free credits, and you pay only for what you use as well. Super valuable app, guys. I love this app. This app has really helped my cash flow improve. I know if you add this to your store, it will help yours as well. That's it for this video. Hope you got a lot of value out of it. Make sure you add this to your store. Don't get a massive hold like I did that nearly killed my business. I don't want that to happen to you. If you got some value out of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want help building your business, make sure you click the link above below this video wherever it is and schedule a call with me. We can have a chat about your business, where you're at, what you're doing. Maybe you're starting out, maybe you're trying to scale, whatever it is, I can help you take that to the next level. And that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.